Hello, satisfaction seeker. Welcome to our channel. Do you want to be satisfied in your life? Finding satisfaction in life involves cultivating a sense of fulfillment and contentment. Here are 12 practical, point-wise steps to achieve satisfaction or to be satisfied in your life. Number 1. Set realistic goals. Identify what truly matters to you and create achievable goals. Break large goals into smaller, manageable steps. Number 2. Practice gratitude. Reflect on things you are thankful for daily. Keep a gratitude journal to remind yourself of the positives in your life. Number 3. Focus on the present. Avoid dwelling on past regrets or worrying excessively about the future. Engage in mindfulness or meditation practice to live in the moment. Number 4. Nurture relationships. Spend quality time with family and friends. Communicate openly and appreciate the people around you. Number 5. Take care of yourself. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with proper nutrition, exercise, and sleep. Practice self care routines that help you feel rejuvenated. Number 6. Limit comparison. Avoid comparing your life to others on social media or elsewhere. Focus on your progress and celebrate your achievements. Number 7. Do what you love. Pursue hobbies or activities that bring you joy and relaxation. If possible, align your career or daily work with your passion. Number 8. Help others. Volunteer, donate, or simply assist someone in need. Acts of kindness can boost your sense of purpose and satisfaction. Number 9. Learn to let go. Accept that not everything is in your control. Let go of grudges, regrets, and unrealistic expectations. Number 10. Keep learning. Embrace lifelong learning to discover new interests and improve skills. Personal growth often brings a sense of accomplishment. Number 11. Find balance. Prioritize work-life balance to avoid burnout. Make time for relaxation and activities that resource you. Number 12. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and reward yourself for a small milestone. Recognizing progress keeps you motivated and satisfied. Satisfaction is a journey, not a destination. Constantly practicing these steps will help you lead a more content and fulfilling life. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.